everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about the spice cumin, and I've got some quick tips and ideas for you on how to use it and different ways to use it. And I have a long list here, so I've broken it up into two parts. This is part one. Cumin a lot of times is paired with black pepper and honey in Middle Eastern countries in their dishes. So this combination is often used to flavor vegetables, chicken, and fish dishes. So you might give that combination a try for your own self if you're not accustomed to doing that. You may like it. You can enjoy a warming cup of cumin tea made by bringing seeds to a boil in water. Let them steep for 8 to 10 minutes. And this tea is good for helping to reduce bloating and intestinal gas. So remember that the next time you have that problem. Cumin is often used to flavor lentils, chickpeas, and even black beans. The flavor of cumin blends well with legumes of all sorts. So remember that as a flavor option next time you're cooking beans and you're wondering what to do with them. How about flavoring up your favorite rice by adding a little toasted cumin seeds, some dried apricots, and almonds? Sounds like a good combination. Cumin goes well with just about any grain, so if you want to add a little flavor, just sprinkle just a little bit of ground cumin on your grain and you may like that. How about giving vegetables a North African flavor twist by sprinkling them with a little bit of cumin? Now bear in mind the flavor of cumin is very strong, so if you're not sure and you're not sure how you're going to react to this, just sprinkle just a little bit on your food. Taste it. You can always add more if you want, but if too much is added, you can't take it out very easily. Whole cumin seeds can be lightly toasted in a hot, dry skillet for about 5 minutes, and that will intensify the flavor, give them a deep, smoky flavor. Keep the seeds moving in the pan so they don't burn. And you can add the toasted cumin seeds to salads, roasted potatoes, and other vegetables, bread doughs, and even soups. I do hope this helps. Stay tuned for part 2 for some more quick tips on ways to use cumin.